Oh, excuse me. Look carefully. Blue Subaru. She brought me a gift. Well, brought us a gift, per se. I got to figure out how to make a latch for the door, because the door doesn't latch. I got to replace some hardware on the feet, because 2 of them are loose and won't tighten. So they got like little screws in the top, and they're all stripped out, and they're rusty on the bottom. But this little thing is going to be infinitely useful, even though it says right on the front, China. It'll be about perfect. I got to figure out how to put it in the house now. But I'm going to fix the latch, make a latch out of something, and then probably go get some engine paint. Still waiting on parts. You can hear the lawnmower running in the background. She's actually cutting the grass. Thank you, dear. A little bit of work though, and that thing's going to be mint. I just got to figure out how to install it. By the way, welcome back to another Friday. It is not raining. No, sir. No rain in sight. It's a beautiful day. Just amazes me how fast everything grows around here. That, like, I've ignored this space. I haven't ran the weed eater back here in 2 weeks. And it's already like starting over at square one, except for all of these trees are still cut down. I'm at a point where I'm going to try to figure out something to make with these trees, because I can tie those together, lash them together, make something out of them. Oh, dog. This is why I stopped trying to turn that into the garden. And I guess if I'd have fenced it off. It doesn't get very good sunlight either. So, yeah. Oh, it's the same with all this. I did spray some non-select herbicide on the walkway to try to keep it down, but it takes a week or 10 days or something to do its thing fully. You know. Just walking back here to see what kind of shape this spot is and how much work it's going to be to potentially put a tent out here this weekend. See if I can, those been out here for a minute. See if I can come up with a something to use for a fire pit out here. Or maybe I just go buy charcoal and I have a little cast iron grill. Man, that's a lot. Perhaps camping out here is the adventure of cleaning this up. Wow. The mosquitoes out here are a buzzing. Thankfully, I don't really have any by the house. Just theoretically speaking, I want to put the tent down there. Jesus, these mosquitoes, this ain't happening though. Wow. I got to get this cleaned up and get the mosquitoes under control. Whew. Well, it's actually the wife's birthday. I think she turned 27.
27, that's it.
Yeah, I'm not showing your face, dear. She turned 27 again. She's actually over here doing the baking, because tomorrow was Father's Day.
Make use of what pans you got.
I bought yellow cake and buttercream frosting. This is going to be loaves of Twinkie. And nobody that I know actually needs loaves of Twinkie. What say you, riffraff? But we're going to have loaves of Twinkie. And this is the video that I shoot before I go out and shoot the video. Much like in the last, well, not the last one, the one before. This one's going to be, the one that I'm going out to film this evening is going to be July 12th. I'm working on that, and I hope that that some of you will be able to hit the playlist. Like, if you go to the playlist on my channel for the free videos for YouTube creators. All of those videos are in a playlist, and if you ever want to just like lay down and go to sleep, that's where it's at. But at the moment, my wife is working on full-size Twinkies, and I'm gonna go film something pretty within about 10 minutes of the house. Thoughts?
Twinkies to keep the sweet man sweet.
I'm about the bitterest asshole you ever met in your life, but anyway. I am grateful to have my wife back here on her 46th birthday.
Sorry, Kimmer.
Ah, dagnabbit. All you get is boobs.
No.
All you get is boobs. She's got plenty. I'm out here filming this countryside, and you'll see more of this. You'll see more of this in the entire month of July. This is what I'm out filming. And then there was a bathroom door. I bought this door. It went in, well, the kit that I bought to drill the hole in the door, yeah, piece of shit. Door's got a crack in it down there at the bottom from the way the dude loaded it at the store, and it appears to have some water damage already. But when you're living out here, you take what you can get. But, you know, it has a doorknob. Yeehaw. It's a bigger challenge than one would anticipate hanging a door. Not particularly a fan of it. We now have a door to the bathroom. If you remember all the way back in the first video, it was missing the door that was in there was missing that whole corner from somebody had locked their dog in there and their dog ate their way out. So that finally got accomplished. Yay! Alright, so it is a beautiful Wednesday afternoon. I'm out here on my hillside. Just got done running the weed eater. And I stopped to pick blackberries. So I did get another section over here cleared out. As far as the garden is concerned, I know it's in full shade currently. It's not like that all day. It's just like that in the peak heat days. Not a single seed that I put in the ground did anything, and the plants are not doing well. I don't know what I'm doing wrong over there. I've never had trouble growing anything before. Like, I've got tomato that I grew from seed right there that's growing in healthy. I got one coming in there that's healthy. I got one in a pot right there that's healthy. But anything that I put in the ground, even the hot peppers are dying, and the seeds didn't grow. They didn't sprout. This is what I was doing yesterday when I stopped to pick blackberries. I was running the weed eater in here. I'm at a point where the weed eater string just breaks off and doesn't cut because the stuff is so thick. I got to figure something else out. Maybe I go buy a machete or something. This dog never more than about 5 feet away from me. But yeah, I don't know what's going on in there. I need to maybe get something to test the pH in my soil. But for now, it's not doing well. Yeah, let me turn this thing around and end this video. It's another beautiful sunny day in Virginia. It'll be about 80-85 degrees today. Got laundry on the line. Got a kitty on the porch licking her butt. Got a dog over here behind me doing whatever he's doing. So I think that's it for this week. You saw that I lit a fire. That's way out there, that way, where the camping site thing is going to be. I actually now have a fire pit to start burning stuff back there. So that'll be on the agenda for this weekend and in the next video. I need to build a table to take back there. I have the stuff to do it. I just got to do it. I need to carry my little cast iron barbecue back there. But a lot of walking around. I had to go to my mother's house this morning and unload one of her 2 shipping containers that she's got in the yard, tiny little containers. Got enough stuff out of her place to keep her busy at least through the weekend. So I'll catch you guys next week up here at the mountain. Thanks for watching.